Good Juju's friends, this is Aja, your spiritual connection guide. In this butterfly love note, I will discuss the practice of being in nature. Getting out of the house and into nature acts as a reset button for our mind, body, and soul. Nature is nurturing and it revives the essence of our spiritual connection. Being in nature is a mood enhancer. It is full of all the energy healing properties that we need to help our minds empty out all the negative bad jujus that's taking up much needed space. It encourages positive feelings and thoughts, the good jujus that make us feel good. And it allows us to move forward into becoming spiritually connected so that we can receive the divine guidance from our higher power. Nature is the creation that our higher power has constructed in which we can truly use our five senses. You can see the beauty of the sky. You can smell the magnificence of the flowers. You can touch the wood on a tree. You can taste the sweetness of the berries on a bush. And you can hear the lively sounds of the creatures. Nature also enhances our intuitive feelings. You can really feel the connection to your higher power when you're doing something as simple as taking a stroll on a curvy nature trail or sitting by a slow running creek. No matter what time of the year it is, getting out of the house and into nature is an essential tool for your spiritual practice. And it's free. This has been your Butterfly Love Note. Peace and blessings always and in all ways.